Hi, this is Paul Wise and welcome to the Lawn Vets video series. In this short video I will be sharing with you some information about why your pet might be drinking more. So let's start by considering, is your pet drinking more? Now in the case of dogs, we're likely to start by asking you to measure how much water your pet drinks over at least a 3 or 4 day period, and that period needs to be consecutive. Please record the amount they drink each day so we can assess the inter-day variation rather than just giving a grand total at the end. By knowing your pet's body weight, we can then calculate if your pet is likely to be drinking excessively for their size, and therefore if further investigation is required. In cats, this is a much less valuable tool, so we have to assess them a little differently, usually by moving straight to blood and urine testing. Why might your pet be drinking more? There are many factors within the body which influence how much your pet will drink. Owners are sometimes concerned that their pets seem to drink a lot less than we do. The hydration status or water balance of our pets' bodies is brought about by the amount of fluid they drink versus processes in the body that use water and by the loss of water through urine and panting. Pets tend to regulate their body water more on intake, by varying their drinking habits to compensate for fluid usage or loss. Whereas we humans, we tend to drink both for pleasure and necessity. So we like our cups of coffee, our fizzy drinks, and maybe a bit of alcohol. We therefore tend to rely on our kidneys and other organs to regulate our body water on the output side. Put simply, pets drink what they need, while humans, we tend to urinate what we don't need. The process of urine production and body water balance is complex and is regulated in the body by the brain, kidneys and adrenal glands. Increased thirst can be caused by a change in your pet's diet. Like us, if something's more salty, you tend to drink more to compensate. Also, if you've changed from a wet food to a dry food, they may start drinking more, as the water content of wet food can be as much as 80%. If you've recently changed their exercise regime, that may almost cause them to drink more due to loss of moisture through panting, as they cannot sweat like we do. So a dog that has just been exercised might gulp water down to replace what has been lost through panting. There are numerous medical reasons why your pet might drink more, but the most common of these include diabetes mellitus or sugar diabetes, kidney failure, liver failure, Cushing's disease, hypothyroidism, diabetes insipidus or water diabetes. Finally, although we mentioned earlier that animals are not habitual drinkers, there is a condition called Psychogenic Polydipsia, where your pet drinks more for behavioural reasons. This, however, is a very rare condition. So how do we work out why your pet is drinking more? In most cases this is quite simple and usually involves a combination of blood and urine tests, so you may need to watch a video on how to collect urine samples. There's one of those on our site. As always, if having watched this video you have any questions, or if you encounter any difficulties, then please phone or email the surgery. We're here to personally help give you the very best advice and treatment possible for your much loved pet. Thanks for watching. Any feedback regarding this video will be very much appreciated.